Hey there, aspiring gardeners! Welcome back to our channel where we share all things gardening to help you grow a lush and vibrant garden. If you're just starting with seed planting, you're in the right place. Starting seeds can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also be a bit tricky if you don't know what to watch out for. Today I'm sharing the top 5 seed starting mistakes and some pro tips to get your garden growing beautifully. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1, overwatering. It's easy to think that more water equals healthier plants, but that's a big no-no. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. Too much water can lead to root rot and fungus, which can be devastating for your young plants. Pro tip: keep the soil moist, not drenched. The key is to maintain a balance where the soil is damp, but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle for a gentle mist and make sure your containers have good drainage. This helps prevent water from pooling at the bottom and causing issues. Next up, mistake number 2. Using the wrong soil. The type of soil you use can make or break your seed starting efforts. Regular garden soil is too heavy for seedlings. It doesn't provide the right environment for delicate roots to grow. It can compact and suffocate those tender roots, leading to poor growth or even plant death. Pro tip: opt for a lightweight seed starting mix. These mixes are designed to be airy and well-draining, perfect for young plants. It's specially formulated to give your seeds the best start possible, ensuring they have the nutrients and structure they need to thrive. Mistake number 3, starting seeds too early. Timing is crucial when it comes to seed starting. We get it, you're excited, but starting seeds too soon means your plants might be ready before the weather is. This can lead to leggy, weak plants that struggle to survive. Pro tip: check your seed packets for the recommended starting time. Each plant has its own ideal planting window. Usually, 6-8 weeks before the last frost date is ideal. This gives your seedlings enough time to grow strong before being transplanted outside. On to mistake number 4, poor lighting. Light is one of the most critical factors for healthy seedling growth. Seedlings need plenty of light to grow strong and healthy. Without adequate light, they will stretch towards the light source, becoming leggy and weak. Without enough light, they become leggy and weak, making them more susceptible to diseases and pests. Pro tip: place your seedlings in a south-facing window or use grow lights. This ensures they get the light they need to grow strong and healthy. Aim for 12-16 hours of light each day. Using a timer can help maintain a consistent light schedule. Finally, mistake number 5, skipping the hardening off process. This step is crucial for transitioning your seedlings from indoors to the outdoor environment. Moving your seedlings directly outside can shock them and stunt their growth. The sudden change in conditions can be too much for them to handle. Pro tip: gradually acclimate your plants to the outdoor environment. This process, known as hardening off, helps them adjust to the new conditions. Start by placing them outside for a few hours a day, increasing the time over a week. This gradual exposure helps them build resilience. And there you have it. 5 common seed starting mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, gardening is a journey, and every mistake is a learning opportunity. Each step you take brings you closer to a thriving garden. Happy planting! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best gardening advice. See you in the next video.